One of the reasons sellers prefer a conventional or cash over FHA or VA is the additional inspections that have to happen for an FHA or VA loan. However, the common misconception is that if there are required repairs, the seller has to make those repairs. In fact, our local contract states otherwise, that if there are required repairs, the buyer has the option to make those repairs if the seller won't. So if you know there's going to be issues with the FHA or VA inspection and you still opt to go that way, as long as you as a seller or buyer negotiate who's going to cover those up front, it shouldn't be an issue. But common misconception in the business is that the seller is required to make those repairs. Not true. Contract states otherwise. 90 in our local one. If you're not in the Columbia market and you have a different contract, it may be covered in there. Ask your agent, get a copy, look through it yourself, and make sure. Happy home selling.